When it comes to adding spice into flavor, I'm always looking for the full flavor profile. You want something sweet, you want something salty, you want something bitter, you want something spicy. When you're able to access all those different flavor profiles, your meal tastes better. All right, so we're looking right here at the ghostly garlic hot sauce. This is one of the ones that I really wanted to try. So let's give it a try. Let's see how it is. Initially, it's got a little bit of a sweet taste to it, and then it starts to slowly build in the heat and keeps building. And it pretty much levels at where I really like it. This is really, really nice. It's got a nice garlic taste in the end. I would probably put this on everything. I'm not kidding. This is really, really good. So I started washing dishes when I was 16 years old and I never left the industry. Owning a restaurant is life consuming. I had 2 children and wanted to be around for them. Mobile was the answer for me. So that's how I got into this gig. Let's cook with it. Let's see what we can do with it. I think it'll go really good with our white sauce to help tame it for your average eater. So we're gonna use our Guinness white sauce that we make half of our pizzas with. Put a little layer of cheese on here. Now, I'm a big fan of sweet and spice, so I'm gonna put a little pineapple on this, even though a lot of people say pineapple doesn't belong in a pizza because it's a fruit. To those people, ask you this question: what's a tomato? We put a little Vidalia onion on here to give it a little bit of a crunch. I'm gonna put a little bit of pork belly on here, or like I like to call it, the better bacon. And I'm just gonna drizzle a little of this on there. Like a little is gonna go a long way, and that should give you a pretty balanced flavor profile. Send that in the oven. We're cooking at about 900 degrees. I'm a huge hot sauce guy. I love hot sauce. Probably hotter than most people like it, so I find myself having to cut it back a little bit. But adding a little bit of heat and a little bit of sweetness and a little bit of everything really gives you a perfect flavor profile, and people seem to really enjoy it. All right, we're good. Nice crunch to it. Oh my God. You get the cheesiness, you get the pork belly flavor, you get the sweetness of the pineapple, and at the end, it's this nice little garlicky hit. It's a winner in my book.